How does aircon works? Air conditioners, or ACs, work by removing heat and moisture from the air in a room or building, resulting in a cooler and drier indoor environment. The process works by using a combination of refrigeration and circulation. Here's a simplified breakdown of how an air conditioner works. A compressor pressurizes a refrigerant gas, which causes it to become hot and high pressure. The hot, high pressure gas flows through a series of coils, where it releases heat and condenses into a cooler liquid. The liquid refrigerant passes through an expansion valve, which causes it to rapidly expand and become very cold. The cold refrigerant flows through a second set of coils, where it absorbs heat and moisture from the indoor air. The now warm refrigerant gas is pumped back to the compressor to start the cycle again. At the same time, a fan blows warm air over the indoor coil and circulates the cooled, dehumidified air back into the room. This cycle continues until the desired temperature is reached, at which point the air conditioner will shut off until the temperature rises again. Modern air conditioners often have additional features, such as variable speed fans, programmable thermostats, and air purifiers. But the basic process of removing heat and moisture from the air remains the same. What's compressor, refrigerant gas, refrigerant pipe, liquid refrigerant, variable speed fans, programmable thermostats, and air purifiers? What are the purpose of it? What are the different type of heating and cooling VRF system, and what are each of their purpose, uses and function? How do FCU and CU come into picture, and what are their function purpose? Compressor. The compressor is the heart of an air conditioning system. It is responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant gas and pumping it through the system. Refrigerant gas. The refrigerant gas is a substance that is compressed and circulated through the AC system. It absorbs heat and releases it as it moves through the system. Refrigerant pipe. The refrigerant pipe is a tube that carries the refrigerant gas from the compressor to the coils and back again. Liquid refrigerant. The refrigerant gas becomes a liquid when it is cooled and condensed by passing through the coils. Variable speed fans. Variable speed fans can adjust their speed to match the cooling needs of the room. They can operate at lower speeds when less cooling is needed, which can save energy and reduce noise. Programmable thermostats. Programmable thermostats allow users to set a schedule for their AC system to turn on and off at specific times. This can help save energy and reduce costs. Air purifiers. Air purifiers are designed to remove impurities, allergens, and other contaminants from the air. VRF, variable refrigerant flow, systems are a type of HVAC system that can both heat and cool a building. They work by circulating refrigerant through a network of indoor and outdoor units. There are two types of VRF systems, heat pump and heat recovery. Heat pump VRF systems. These systems can only heat or cool a building at any given time. They work by circulating refrigerant through outdoor units, which are connected to a network of indoor units that distribute the hot or cold air throughout the building. Heat recovery VRF systems. These systems can simultaneously heat and cool different parts of a building. They work by circulating refrigerant through a network of outdoor and indoor units that can independently heat or cool different areas of the building. FCU, fan coil unit, and CU, condensing unit, are components of an air conditioning system. FCU, a fan coil unit, is a type of air handling unit that contains a fan, heating or cooling coil, and a filter. It is typically located inside a building and is connected to an outdoor unit. CU, a condensing unit, is the outdoor component of an air conditioning system. It contains the compressor, condenser coil, and fan. It is responsible for compressing and circulating the refrigerant gas through the system. The function of an FCU is to circulate air through the heating or cooling coil and distribute it throughout the building. The function of a CU is to compress and circulate the refrigerant gas through the system.